So this is a short tutorial that will show you how to use the JesusLink.net. Again, as I have shared in the past, the purpose of this website is to help believers all around the world to create what I like to call it as a digital business card, which is just one link that you can share with anybody using social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever, or email, or wherever you want. So when you go to JesusLink.net, you will see this first page initially, and there are two options to start with. One is to log in and the other one is to register. So if you don't have an account, you just have to click register, but if you have an account, just go to login. Again, the process is very simple. Because I am already registered, I will go to login and I will show you inside how this looks like. So the first page that you will see, it's about some statistics, and you will see the growth of the pages through this graphic. I will explain more about this graphic later, but primarily this color here shows the number of visitors, and this one here shows the number of page views. So a visitor can see more than one page. That's why page views usually are higher than the number of the visitors. And below here you will see all the pages that have been created, and as you can see here, I have created several pages. I will quickly click on some of them just so that you have an idea. This is a page that I have created for my page as an example. I put here a link from a video from the Jesus film in Albanian. I have started here with my avatar, as it is known in the social media. After the video, I put here some text, which is the prayer of salvation, and then 3 buttons to help people connect with me. So the first one is actually I prayed, and if they have prayed, I will get a notification on my messenger that this person prayed after they saw the clip. And also I put here a button, WhatsApp me, and a free Bible, alongside some other buttons, social media buttons, that they can connect with me. And in the end here, I put the name of my church together with a link. So if they want to follow more and go to and visit the page of my church, they can just click here and go here. So again, here are all the links I have created, and this one here, it's another link that I have created primarily for Easter, and as you see here, I put here some backgrounds to as a way. It's a different background, and I will show you how to change all the backgrounds and everything else. Everything is customizable. You can put clips, you can put images, avatars, and other types of buttons here that to help people connect with you, or to even share the gospel in more than one way. So let's go here. And let's say you will not see here any of the links if this is the first time that you are entering to this page, and so I will show you how to create these evangelistic links. And to do that, you just need to go to create link, and once you click on it, you'll see two options: JesusLink page and shorten URL. So I will not cover this shorten URL for now, because this will come in handy later. But let's start by creating a JesusLink page. And here immediately you will see this option to create a custom name for your page. You can put here your name, you can put the name of your church, or you can put anything else. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will just put here testing, and then create the JesusLink page. And immediately you will see this page. Your link that you have just created, it's showing here, and it will be JesusLink.net/testing. Again, testing, it is customizable, and you can put whatever name you want there. And this is a preview of how the new page will look like. So right now there is not much here, and we will have to customize everything. So to do that, to customize your page or your link, it is all you have to do. We have to do all all the changes needs to happen either on settings or in the blocks here, and I will show you the difference. Right now we don't have any blocks, so we will start with settings. In the settings, if you want to change the name, you can do it here. So if you don't like testing, you can put anything else. And then in the project, this is still under construction, so there is not much happening right now here. And this is where you change the background. So there are different kind of backgrounds that are already uploaded for you. All you have to do is just choose one of these backgrounds, or you can add or upload your custom image. I don't have any image right now here, so for the purpose of this tutorial I will just focus on what's already available here. So let's choose one of the colors here. I will choose this color here, which is more similar to Instagram. And then here you can change what it is called a favicon. So I'm not sure how do you pronounce this, but this is a little icon that usually shows here. If you are following my mouse, it will show right here. So if you want to customize that, you can do it by uploading it, a file from your, or an image from your own computer. And then here you will see some of other buttons that will help you customize the settings for your page. Again, we have not started to build, we are just customizing the settings. So you see this verified user. This is something common on Instagram, I believe, and this is the way you can disable or activate it here. So if you don't want that to be there, you can just deactivate it here. Disable verified badge. I will leave it here just to create more a sense of the page that has been verified. And then branding. As you see here right now, there is a default branding here by GCM Digital, but this can be changed, and the way to change it is by just going here and change it here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll put the name of my church, and as you see here, it has changed immediately. You can put here whatever branding you want to put here, and also you can put a link. So if people want to go to your branding, they can click there and can go to the page of your own church or your own branding. And so I will put here the link of my church for the purpose of this tutorial, and then I just click update on the setting page or on the settings here. Whatever we do, whatever changes we do, in order to be in place, we really need to put every time to click this button, update. Every change you do, you click update. So the other buttons, as you see here, there are some SEO, and these are primarily, SEO stands for search engine optimization, and these are some custom optimizations that you do primarily to be found on Google. So if you are not familiar with this, don't worry. I would leave everything as it is and not make changes. And then there are some other buttons here that probably you will not need at this phase of the training. So let's go and build the page right now. You go to the blocks, and this is where we start to build everything here from scratch. So the way to build this page is by just adding blocks, and I have here several examples of different kind of blocks. So the first one, we will start with an avatar, and to add the avatar, you just have to have an image that you will use as an avatar. And so I will go to my computer and try to find a picture and upload it. I will use this picture here, and I will upload it here, and usually it will be better if you have a picture which is like a square. They are requiring a 75 per 75 pixels, but I think if you have a larger picture, the website will stretch it so that it fits into these parameters. And then here you can give it a different shape. Like if you want, you can have it a rounded avatar, or just straight square. So I think it looks better if it is rounded, so I will put rounded here, and let's submit it. So as you see here, it is, it is not a full square. There are some rounded corners here, and this is my avatar here. Again, you can go and change whatever thing you do here. You can just click here and you can go and make the changes that you want to change. Like for example, if you want to have a more round shape, you go here, you update it, and then you will see a more round kind of avatar. So we just added the first block, and every changes, again, if you need to do changes here, you just click on the avatar and you will see all the settings inside the block. Let's add another block here, and I will add now a YouTube video. And so there are different YouTubes. You can go on YouTube and grab the link of the video that you want to put here. I have already some videos, I think. Here I will put this clip, which is from the Jesus film, just to show you how it looks like. But again, you can put here any other clip that you want to put here, and it will show here. So as you see, every time you build on a block, it will show right here. So we have just put an avatar here. We put a video, which is here. Now let's add some buttons, maybe, or some text. Let's add some text first, and I will to add text. You can go to paragraph, or if you want to just add a heading, you can just go to heading, and it will show only if you have just one line of text. You can use this, or if you have more, you can use the paragraph. And so let's add some, maybe add a question here. Would you like to know more about Jesus? Contact me below. And just submit it. And as you'll see, the text appears right after the video. If you want to make changes, if you want to put the paragraph before the video, you just drag and drop. So that's the way you can move these blocks. Now let's add some buttons here. And there is this button link that I have used the most. So let's add a link here. Let's say, for example, I want to connect with them through WhatsApp. And the way to do it, it's primarily going through this link here. So every time you want to add a WhatsApp button, you just type here https // and then it's wa.me. So wa.me, it will lead you to open WhatsApp, and then here you put your phone number. Right now I have put here my phone number, and this, every time when people click this link, it will open the WhatsApp on your phone, and it will prepare it to send a message to this number that you put here. And on the name here, I just put contact me on WhatsApp, and then submit. And then as you see here, I just added a button here that when people click on it, it will lead them immediately to my WhatsApp. Because I have put here too much text, it shows like a big button, but you can go and customize it here, go to the name, and then you can write it shorter. I will write it WhatsApp me, yep. And then again, update. and it looks much nicer. You can do more customization here on the WhatsApp settings. You can decide how you want the WhatsApp to open up, if you want to open it in a new tab, or you can put here a thumbnail image, which I usually put here a thumbnail, the logo of the WhatsApp. I put it here sometimes just to look nicer. Or you can put some other icons, and you can find these icons if you go to this link here. So if you want to find an icon only for WhatsApp, just click it here, and they will give you the option to copy it in something like this, like what you see here. It will give you a code like this. And so yeah, let's go here just for the purpose of this training, so that you have an idea how this looks like. So you go, it will lead you to this page, Font Awesome, and then you can click here for the WhatsApp logo, and it shows something like that. And as you can see here, you click on this, for example, in this icon here, and then if you like what you see here, or if you want to make some changes, or if you are good with this, you just start using this icon. You don't need actually, because the code that we have, it's right here. It's this one here. This is what our website is looking for. So you just have to copy this, and then go to the place where you can change the icon, and just put the WhatsApp icon that we copied from that previous page, and it will show here like that. So again, this is something, if you want to do it, or if you don't want to do it, this is not really important. But you can also change the color here. If you feel like you want to use a different color, you can use that, so that it looks more like the colors of WhatsApp, and then update it. And so as you see here, the page, it's being created little by little. We have an avatar, we have a video, we have some text here, and we have the first button. Again, if you want to add more buttons, you do the same kind of thing here, add buttons. Or if you want to add lots of other socials, you can just go here, and immediately it will give you lots of options regarding the different socials links that you want to put here, starting with email. So you can put your own email here, you can put your phone, you can put your Telegram username, WhatsApp. We have already added WhatsApp here. Or you can put the Facebook page of your church, or your own Facebook page, or you can lead them to Facebook Messenger. As you see here, it's giving you the link that leads to Facebook Messenger. You just have to put here the username. So the username, it's, in my case, for my church, it's just this. And then you can add Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube channel, SoundCloud, anything, anywhere that you are using on social media, and just click submit. And so as you see here, it has already created these links that I have filled in socials. Or you can create buttons like this one. If you don't want these kind of buttons here and the way they look, you can add more buttons like this one here. So let's add another button here. I want to offer them another Bible, a free Bible app, for example. And you just go to this link where they offer Bible in lots of different languages. You do the name, you just put some text like free Bible app, and submit it. And we have just created another button. So you just have to drag this above socials, as I did right now. And as you can see here, I have just created a link that I can share with my friends online using just this link. So anytime I want to use this page, what I have created with somebody, you have just to copy this, jesuslink.net/testing, and it'll be ready to share it with your friends. So I really hope that this training helps you a little bit, but in case you need more information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Have a great day.